Good morning students. Today we will discuss the remaining question of exercise 3.3, that's trigonometry of class plus 1. These are the 6 questions of exercise 3.3 in which first question is this is the solution of question number 1. In question number 1, the left hand side is sin x means sin 3x divided by sin square x means cos square x. When we take means common from numerator as well as from denominator, that is cos square x means sin square x, this cancel out, and we know sin c means sin d, which is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c means d by 2, and also we know cos square x means sin square x equal to cos 2x. When we apply these two formulas, we get 3x plus x upon 2 into sin 3x means x by 2, in denominator there is cos 2x, this becomes cos 2x into sin x by cos 2x, this cancel out, this is equal to 2 sin x, this is the right hand side of this question. In question number 2, the left hand side is cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x, in denominator sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x. We take cos 4x and cos 2x as in pairs plus cos 3x, same sin 4x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x. When we apply CD formula, that is cos C plus cos D, we get 2 cos C plus D upon 2 into cos C means D upon 2 plus cos 3x. In denominator, the formula is 2 sin C plus D upon 2 into cos C means D upon 2 plus sin 3x. This becomes 2 cos 4x plus 2x, 6 divided by 2 is 3x. This is cos x plus cos 3x. This is 2 sin 3x cos x plus sin 3x. When we take cos 3x, common in denominator and sin 3x common in denominator, this becomes cancel out and this is cot 3x. This is the right hand side of question number 2. In question number 3, we have required to prove that is cot x into cos 2x means cot 2x into cot 3x means cot 3x into cot x equal to 1. In this question, we take first greater angle, that is cot 3x as x plus 2x. As we know, cot A plus B equal to cot A into cot B means 1 over cot A plus cot B. When we apply this formula, we get cot x, cot 2x means 1 upon cot x plus cot 2x. When we cross multiply this, we get cot 3x into cot x, cot 3x into cot 2x, cot x into cot 2x means 1. Take 1 this right hand side and the remaining terms in left hand side, we get this expression. This is the solution of question number 3rd. In question number 4, we have required to prove that is tan 4x equal to 4 tan x 1 means tan square x over 1 means 6 tan square x plus tan 4x. In this question, we take left hand side, that is tan 4x. We write this as tan 2x plus 2x. As we know, tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x over 1 means tan square x. When we apply this formula, we get tan 2x plus, this is wrong, tan 2x, tan a plus b. In this we apply first tan a plus b, that is tan a plus tan b over 1 means tan a into tan b. This becomes tan a plus tan b, 1 means tan a into tan b. In this we apply tan 2x equal to 2 tan x over 1 means tan square x. When we apply this formula, that is 2 tan x 1 means tan square x plus 2 tan x over 1 means tan square x divided by 2 tan x 1 means tan square x into 2 tan x 1 means tan square x. When we take LCM, that is 4 tan x over 1 means tan square x. In this, when we multiply, we get tan square x whole square, 4 tan square x in denominator, 1 means tan square 4. This cancel out. This becomes 4 tan x into 1 means tan square x. In numerator, open the identity, a means b whole square, that's a square plus b square means 2ab. So we get 4 tan x 1 means tan square x divided by 1 plus tan 4x means 6 tan square x. This is the right hand side of this question. In this question, first we write tan 4x as 2x plus 2x, then we apply identity a plus b, tan a plus b, then after this we apply tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x upon 1 means tan square x. In question number 5th, we have required to prove that is cos 4x equal to 1 means 8 sin square x into cos square x. In this question, we take right hand side, that is 8 sin square x into cos square x. First we apply sin square x formula, which is 1 means cos 2x by 2 and cos square x, which is 1 plus cos 2x by 2. This cancel out. This is the identity a square means b square. When we open this bracket, we get 2 cos square 2x. This becomes means 1. As we apply double angle formula, we get cos 4 2x by 2. This cancel out. This becomes cos 4x. This cancel out. This is equal to cos 4x. This is the left hand side. In question number 6, the left hand side is cos 6x. We write this as cos 2 into 3x. As we know, cos 2x equal to cos square x means sin square x. When we apply this formula, we get cos square 3x. In simple, we write first this as cos 3 into 2x and apply cos 3 theta as 4 cos cube theta means 3 cos theta. This is the simple way. 4 cos cube 2x means 3 cos 2x. After this we use cos square x equal to, that is we get 4 cos cube 2x means 3 cos 2x. After this we apply formula cos 2x as 2 cos square x means 1. 2 cos square x means 1 whole cube. 2 cos square means 1. After this open the identity. A cube means b cube means 3 a square into b plus 3 a into b the square means 3 to the 6 cos square x plus 3. This is 32 cos 6x means 4. This becomes 4. 12 24 cos 4x. This is 6 24. This becomes 3 to the 6 and 6 4 24. This becomes 8. 4 3 the 12 48. This is 48. This is 24 cos square x means 6 cos square x plus 3. When we solve this, we get this becomes 32 cos 6x means 4 plus 3 is means 1. This is 48 cos 4x. This is 18 cos square x. This is the right hand side. 32 cos 6x, 48 cos 4x plus 18 cos square x means 1. This is the solution of question number 6. First of all, in this question we write cos 6x as 3 into 2x. Then we apply formula for cos 3 theta. This is the cos 3 theta formula. After this we apply cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x means 1. And after this we open this identity. A means b whole cube, a cube, b cube, 3a square b, then 3ab whole square. This is whole square. 1 square is 1. After this we simplify this. This is the solution of remaining questions of exercise 3.3. Thanks.